Not sure how to read a power adapter? This will help you. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to read a power adapter. And first, we check the voltage. The voltage must match your device. If it's wrong, it may damage your device. And next, check the current. The current can be equal, can be higher, but not lower. And finally, check the plug. Make sure it fits your device. It's very important. If you're not sure, feel free to ask. And follow me for more guides. See you next time. Bye.